Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Hey, today I think I was just going to do a real quick short video on splicing multiple grounds into a single ground. So here we have a couple of 20 gauge and a couple of 18 gauge. And these would be coming up through the harness. Now I'm going to add what I want for a ground. So just for reference, I'm just using a piece of 14. And we're going to grab a parallel splice and we're going to put that in, make sure everything seats up nice and good. So we're well seated, all the wires are in. Now we'll go ahead and just make a crimp, and we'll make a second crimp. And then we're going to just trim off these excess wire coming out of here so we don't have nothing flying that could actually get shorted. And then we'll add a piece of high temp tape here, piece of heat shrink. These parallel splices you can get at Pro Wire USA. They come in different sizes, 18 to 22 gauge, 16, 14, 10, 12. They make them for 6 gauge, for 8 gauge. So anything you need, actually, they make a splice for it. And I use these in lieu of butt splices, which are end-to-end splices, because most of my splices are underneath of a boot. So they're hidden from view. So on this end, we're just to run through, we're going to go ahead and we're going to add a 1/4 inch lug, and we'll shrink that. And we'll heat shrink this real quick. So typically I bend these back up. These wires would be coming out of the harness, and this guy would be exiting the harness to go to our ground lug. So real simple splice, very effective, very strong. We'll see you in the next video.